Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I have this Adidas Eclyptix 2000. So let's move on and find out more about this product. The core comfort feature is the Cloud Foam midsole. This is a proprietary Adidas EVA foam that provides a lightweight, pillowy and soft cushioning experience, absorbing impact and ensuring all-day comfort for casual wear. The shoe is finished with a durable rubber outsole, which is designed to provide reliable grip and traction on urban and casual surfaces. The midsole and outsole are shaped and tooled based on archive running models from 2000s, providing a stable and supportive feel. The upper is made from a variety of materials to create an authentic multi-layered retro look. The breathable mesh base allows air to flow freely, helping to keep your feet cool. Synthetic overlays provide structure, support and durability. The soft textile lining on the interior adds to the step-in comfort. Designed with standard, regular fit secured by a traditional lace closure. The product features a significant amount of recycled materials, with the upper containing at least 20% recycled content. These durable flat shoelaces are available in a range of colors to match your shoes. Thanks to their soft tongue, these shoes are comfortable enough to wear all day long. The chunky logo looks amazing alongside the hallmark 3 stripes of the originals line. So I'm going to try them on and see if they fit well. Whether you are into the bold design, the comfort, or just looking for a solid everyday sneaker with a futuristic vibe, this definitely brings something unique to the table. I'm really impressed with the cushioning and the overall design. Adidas has done a great job of combining style and performance with this one. It's more than just a shoe. It's a pure throwback to the bold, chunky style of the early millennium. The premium leather overlays, the dynamic profile and the overall comfort make this a standout piece, whether you wore it the first time around or are just discovering this retro icon now. It brings the aggressive U2K aesthetic back in a big way, and honestly, the fit and feel are superb for all-day wear. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next sneaker review or on-fit comparison. Thanks for watching, stay stylish and I'll see you in the next video.